Today, we at ALM Ayush are giving a very differential approach of medical treatments. To be very honest, this is something very unique in India. It is very popular in Western countries and it is an emerging specialty and an emerging new medical field. Have you heard of this field called functional medicine? It is something a combination of modern medicine and allopathy medicine with traditional medicines. In India, we give our Indian traditional medicine. We call it by the name of Ayush, AYUSH. It's Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy. Okay, it's a combination of treatments, and it's all called native treatments, native Indian treatments or native medications. And you must have heard of this very recent days when we have come across lot of fever of viral origin, COVID, and so many things. We combine our Indian traditional medicines and we see a very phenomenal response and a very prospective outcome. So, in the same way, this sort of Indian system medicines, Indian traditional medicine has many benefits on so many medical ailments. So, we at ARC, I am primarily a modern medicine practitioner and I am the chairman and a medical director and a fertility specialist of ARC International Fertility and Research Center. And now I have integrated this traditional medicine and the functional medicine inside our ARC in the name of ALM Ayush and a functional medicine. We call it as health and wellness. At ALM Ayush, what we generally do is we don't treat the disease, rather we target the underlying disease factor. So many times, though I'm a modern medicine practitioner, I have to be very open to the public and I want to make the public a very new emerging technology and a newer treatments. I want to understand. If you take in modern medicine, whatever the treatments you're undergoing, whether it is for a skin disease or for an orthopedic problem or for a diabetes or for an infertility or whatever it is, if you undergo any treatments in modern medicine, we give the medications to bring down the disease under control. We cannot eliminate the disease or no, we cannot cure the diseases. So there is some sort of underlying difference between this Indian system of traditional medicines and what we do in modern medicine. Whereas in the Indian system of traditional medicines, they go to the root cause analysis. They understand what is the precipitating factor to produce the specific medical diseases. See, most of the time in this modern world, the diseases like very common diseases like cancer, infertility, obesity, diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, and all these skin diseases, so many diseases are happening just because of the food that we are consuming. Can you believe this? It is a very real common factor. So the food what we consume on our daily life, which is full of junk food, and it is full of a spicy food and it is a lot of adulteration is there, and with that reason when those foods gets into the body, our body is becoming more toxic and we are becoming diseased body. So we at ALM Ayush, we see to that we understand what is the underlying pathology. We don't treat the disease, rather we look at the underlying precipitating factor. One patient might come to me or not to me to our ALM Ayush Center for a diabetes. So we don't look at the diabetes at all. We look them as a whole. He might come here for a renal dysfunction. He might come for a skin problem or a bone dysfunction or an orthopedic problem or a joint weakness or something or an aging, premature aging. Whatever it is we may be coming here, he comes with a prefixed thought that I want to get this ailment rectified or cured. But we don't look at that specific ailment, we look them as a whole because the entire body is integrated. So we need to understand we are not treating the disease, we are restoring the health and we are promoting the wellness. That is what most important here we need to understand. So we at ALM Ayush make sure the patients or the couples who are coming for the treatments to us are getting completely recovered if they cooperate to us. We are treating them in a different platform. Say for example, a male or any patient like who's coming to me or to my ALM Ayush center with a diabetes uncontrolled, his sugar is around 400, or an hypertension pressures is around 160 100, or a patient is having a cholesterol of 300, and he wants to undergo the treatment exclusively at ALM Ayush. What will happen in those situations? The patients will be treated in those centers with those system of medications. But we are a totally different field. It's a functional medicine. We combine the modern medicine and the allopathy with the Indian system of traditional medicines. Immediately I bring down his diabetes, sugar under control, or the blood pressure under control, or the cholesterol under the control, or the renal dysfunction. The creatinine must have been elevated, or we need to bring down under control. Once that has to be brought under control, we need to introduce these allopathy medicines to bring down an acute control. So the allopathy medicine, or the so-called modern medicine, is more effectively utilized for acute control and for emergencies. So that is the benefit when we are going to combine the modern medicine and the Indian traditional medicine. It's called functional medicine. It's a new emerging specialty. We need to understand this. So what will happen when I combine these two systems of medicines? So if a patient with a high blood sugar or a high blood pressure is going for a better cure, thinking with some strategies that I can get a complete remission or a recovery to an Ayush clinic, they may not be able to bring down under acute control. So they will take a long time to bring. Whereas if I introduce this medicine, bring it under acute control, then I took him over the control, or once the control has happened, then I take him for the deeper understanding of the ailments and the disease and the root cause analysis, and then after that I give him the complete remission. He feels that he is getting the complete restoration of health, and on top of it I'm promoting his wellness. I'm not treating his health, I'm creating wellness, and I'm making his wellness for his lifetime. So that is what happening in ALM Ayush. At ALM Ayush, we detoxify the body. We eliminate all the underlying diseases, and we make them feel more comfortable and live a healthy life for his lifetime. So ALM Ayush is something a very different strategy. We are treating a functional medicine with a combination of modern medicine and the Indian system of traditional medicines like Ayush medicines. So many patients, whoever approaches us, they should have an understanding. When they come to ALM Ayush treatments, they feel the medications what is given is not transparent. They are giving simple pills without the deeper understanding what is the ingredients that is contained there. Sometimes they might be worried about the impurities or the way it is being prepared, whether it is really organic, is there any impurities like metals are there, or some toxic substance are there which is not being properly prepared or manufactured, or it's going through stringent manufacturing standards. I want to give you a complete update. Rest assured, when you come into ALM Ayush, the quality is not compromised. We give a perfect quality. We give completely 100% organic preparations. We are all certified organic products are sold at ALM Ayush centers. So when you are stepping into ALM, you understand you are one step ahead in the quality healthcare. So you are getting a perfect healthcare without any compromise at the best rates. We are doing that way. So in ALM Ayush, we make sure we are promoting in any instances, like in infertility, being a fertility specialist. When I treat a patients who are coming into extreme situations in an elderly age group, his sperm count is very low, the female partner's egg reserve is very low, I'm subjecting them for an infertility treatment like advanced fertility treatment, means test tube baby, IVF and ICSI. And if I land up in a failure, I don't have any more better treatments further than that. In those situations, the left out cases, when I combine them, the very low reserve of testicular reserve and the sperm ovarian reserve, the very low sperm count and the eggs, if that has been improved in its quality and functionality and overall body health, those left out small quantity of sperms and eggs, when after subjecting to a subsequent ICSI, is going to become more fruitful, and the resultant embryo is going to give an implantation and leading to a healthy and intellectual baby. It is something phenomenal. It is something very rare, and that is what we are doing at ARC and ALM, combining together. It's very innovative treatments what we are doing here, and it has been very much accepted by the couples and the patients, and they are giving very high rewards for this. So this is happening in ARC and ALM. I'm happy to disclose this information. I'm happy to make this awareness to the public and the patients and the couples. Please utilize these services. And on top of it, we are spread out across 25 centers in India, and we have one international center in Sri Lanka. And on top of it, we want to make sure patients from international countries can still reach us through online video consultations via Skype or a WhatsApp or whatever it is. You can reach us. Feel free to understand what is your pathology and make sure you go through the right methodology of treatment. We need your support, we need your cooperation. That doesn't mean I want to compromise your life. I'm not going to make you completely deprived of your taste, or I'm going to completely stop you to take only basic food or something. It's not like that. We are going to give a combination. We are going to slowly prime you, slowly get down your things under control. So still you will feel very energetic, very motivated, and very positive, very vibrant, and definitely your body after getting our treatment will make the feel of it, and you get promoted, and you make yourself comfortable to live a different life after getting the treatments at ARC and ALM. That is our underlying methodology, and that is our underlying expectation, and what is our commitment to the patients and to the couples. We look forward, and I hope to see you in a very interesting session. Looking forward. Thank you.